It's awesome, Tim back again, and today I have an unboxing video. First one too, and it's based off of a knockoff Bumblebee. Now he is Voyager-ish size. I've compared him to the Voyager class. Do I have one near me? Oh yeah, I've got this. Don't question it. So you can see in box. See how long it goes down. Yeah, so they're basically the same size. So he's basically this. I think it's upside down. I don't know. Oh, no, it's just because, okay, never mind. Forget about it. So it says deformation right here. It's all in Japanese, so I can't read that. So I have these scissors at the moment. I don't know where my other scissors are, so I'm just using this. Don't judge me. So let's start cutting on the side here. I've been waiting for this all week. But okay, let's cut this thing over here. Side, maybe? Don't seem tape. Cut up. Side over top. Should be good enough. Yep. Okay. So, here's this. So, just cut this. This. It's got some metal parts. Kind of floppy in the chest here. I guess that's just mine. Okay. Chris, not now.
Oh.
Hurry up and close the door because I don't want anybody else coming in and interrupting. Well, that just came off. But anyways. So this is what he looks like for car mode. And it doesn't really fit under here in the parts where the original had. So you have to put them right here, as I saw in the pictures when I got it on eBay. It doesn't have any logos because, we kept the right reasons. So yeah, it's basically not some point I recommend it. Yeah. So that's all for this review and stuff. And here's a quick comparison between the original and some masterpieces and stuff. And here he is all armored up, and yeah.